If you hear a deep drum echoing in the forest, stop moving. You have walked into a dinosaur's territory.
This is the Southern Cassowary. It is officially listed as the deadliest bird on the planet. Standing 6 feet tall, its true weapon is hidden on its feet, a 5-inch, razor-sharp middle claw. When threatened, it jumps straight up and kicks downward. That dagger is designed to disembowel prehistoric. Running away is useless. They can sprint 30 miles per hour through dense, twisted rainforest vines. Never turn your back. If the helmet tilts down and the bird charges, brace for impact.